KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio. And right now it is 70 degrees in Rockland, 68 in Davis.
Probably the big news of the morning on a weekend and first day of big news is the dismissal of the documents case. This is the Trump documents case. This is why they raided Mar-a-Lago to get these documents. Eileen Cannon, the judge, says that the appointment of the special counsel is unconstitutional. So she has dismissed this case. This also makes the cases against everyone surrounding that, the caretaker and everything at Mar-a-Lago, those cases go away as well.
That obviously is huge news, and at a time when President Trump is recovering from what happened on Saturday, former President Trump, and he made his way, of course, to the Republican National Convention in Milwaukee.
Yeah.
And he's set to make an appearance later today, and he could announce his VP running mate.
Yeah, we're hearing he's going to announce it tonight. He's also been doing a couple of newspaper interviews. He confirmed that a chunk of the deer is gone. He said the Secret Service, who rushed to protect him, hit him so hard that his shoes fell off. And he also said that he has a large bruise on his forearm he got from hitting the ground. He did confirm that he is going to be attending the funeral of Corey Compershore, who lost his life at the rally. He was the man that died in front of his daughters to save them as bullets were flying. So those are a few things that are come out of the interview. So we had reports from the RNC. We will continue to have those throughout the week with our White House correspondent, John Decker. Now, locally here, we had a couple of stories about police officers.
CHP officers and local police are headed to Wisconsin. Actually, they're already there to assist with security efforts, and you can only imagine, we talked to both Roy O'Neill and John Decker, and they say that, security, as you would imagine, is completely tight.
Right. The President Biden and Vice President Harris were both heading out on campaign stops. They have stopped those for now, just postponed them, but they will be on the road again shortly. And thank you so much for being here today. We'll have our podcast coming up, and we'll talk to you tomorrow on the KFBK Morning News. I'm Christina Mendonca.
And I'm Mark Debsky. Enjoy your Monday.
Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news the second it happens on KFBK News Radio, Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station.
Get out of an inherited home or get the most out of it? Learn about flipping or converting to a rental on the Tyner Property Management Show. Tune in to the Tyner Property Management Show on Sundays at 8:30 here on KFBK.
Hi there, John McGinnis here. If you're thinking it's time to turn your retirement dream into your retirement living, you may be looking for a financial advisor to help put it all together. But what should you expect from a financial advisor? Well, Mike Lester believes one of the most important things is communication. Mike is the founder of Talon Wealth, and he believes that too many advisors are collecting fees and commissions, but doing very little to work for their clients. Mike doesn't believe that's fair. In fact, believes that you need to get your money's worth, and he wants to make sure that you have that experience. At Talon Wealth, communication starts with a conversation to get to know each other. So if you're retired or close to it, don't just take my word for it. Reach out to Mike Lester and the Talon Wealth team for your complimentary comprehensive financial plan. Call them at 916-545-6000, 916-545-6000, or go online at guardingyournestegg.com. Check it out today. You'll be glad you did.
Talon Private Wealth LLC. Investing in stock markets involves the risk of loss, and there is no guarantee that all or any capital invested will be repaid. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. California license 0N00828. John McGinnis was compensated for this message.
Local news, traffic, and weather. You're minutes away from a fresh update on KFBK News Radio.
Reports that Trump will announce his vice president tonight on the first night of the RNC convention here. But what everybody is talking about is Trump's surviving the assassination attempt in Pennsylvania and doing it in the most badass way imaginable. I cannot believe what we all saw on Saturday. I was already very excited to vote for Donald Trump come November, but now my love, affection, and commitment to the Trump candidacy has gone to a different level, Buck. I bet the same is true for you and every single person who is out there listening to us right now. And maybe if you were a middle-of-the-road person, maybe you didn't necessarily buy into Trump, I bet even those people are now all coming together. You couldn't have scripted this from a Hollywood perspective because people would have said there's no way somebody could react that courageously to an assassination attempt. The fist in the air, the American flag billowing in the background. It is, I think, the most iconic thing that I've ever seen a president do in my life.
It's astonishing, Clay, to be here right now at the RNC because of the mix of emotions that I think everyone feels right now. On the one hand, I go back to those initial moments on Saturday when, and you and I spoke right as this was breaking, Saturday afternoon, there was about a 3 or 4 period because I was just seeing things. I was at the champ, people were living their lives, seeing things unfold in real time, and I thought, oh my God, we've lost President Trump. That actually crossed my mind for about...
You called me almost immediately.
Yes. And I said, I hadn't had a feeling like that since watching as one of the planes went into the towers. The second plane went in. I saw that in real time in 9/11. That was the same level of, oh dear God, where is the country going? And then, again, following it piece by piece, the videos, I wasn't watching the feed, right? So I was just seeing the media coverage and the clips as it came out in real time. To see Donald Trump raise his fist and tell America to fight in the midst of now what we know was an assassination attempt that was a literal inch from taking President Trump's life. That it is a mere miracle. Perhaps it is just a miracle. I leave that to each individual to determine for himself. It was so close to one of the worst tragedies we've suffered as a country in memory. And for Trump to take that moment, turn around, and show strength, show that he's a warrior, it still feels surreal. There's still this sense of processing what happened there. And there's a lot we can talk about today as well about the massive security lapse. I mean, I know you and I are both dealing with the breaking news over the weekend. Some people have heard some of our sense of this. I was on Megan's show. You were on Fox. You were on Martha's show talking about these things. An astonishing lapse of security. One for which I would hope there will be consequences, but I'm very doubtful. Still a lot of questions that haven't been even attempted to be answered. But here we stand to bring it all back full circle. We're here at the RNC, and it just feels like President Trump is in not just the strongest position ever to win an election, which he clearly is by sentiment and by the numbers. It feels like President Trump, and we're already hearing about this, is going to transcend even what he has been able to accomplish politically in the past and give a speech about true American greatness and uniting the country here at the RNC that I think will be heard by far more, and I mean heard, internalized, and believed by far more than just those who are the MAGA faithful, if you will. That's what I see happening.
I think Trump's response to this has been far more generous and far more welcoming than mine. Because in the immediate aftermath of this attempt on his life, my primary emotion was furious anger. Because people who listen, I said it, they needed to triple his Secret Service detail. It was also inevitably predictable to me that with a dementia-addled president, with Trump having the lead, with Biden collapsing, that they were going to try to take Trump out. And so when I saw this happen, my immediate reaction was, of course. And then to your point, to allow a 20-year-old to climb onto the friggin' roof of a white building
within 120 yards of the president and take multiple shots at him, by the grace of God, he's still alive, but that dad is dead, and there are two severely injured people because of a complete all-systems failure. We're lucky Trump's alive, but we certainly have lost a life. This should have never been able to happen.
Well, that's why the security lapse is even more unforgivable. And again, this brings me to the mixed emotions. There's honestly, the elation. It's a little bit like, in terms of the way we're reacting to news. Remember when Sully
landed
the plane, and people just couldn't believe it. And then there was the processing afterwards of 100-something people could have died right then and there. I think because also of Trump's bravado and courage in the moment, we're still thinking about an assassin's bullet pierced the presidential nominee for the Republican Party and former president and likely future president's ear on stage, on national TV, and we were close to a political future, and inches, again, literal inches from a political future that we do not even want to consider as a nation. So I think, Clay, there's tremendous anger, and there should be. There's tremendous rage. There's outrage at the security lapse. And then there's also this feeling of the near miss that the nation had. And Trump, I think, is elevating to this magnanimous position, at least when it comes to the outreach to the American people. Overall, you're going to hear, by the way, Joe Biden, and I do not say this just as a consistent partisan here, I truly believe in my core, missed a massive moment. Joe Biden, the President of the United States, when someone takes a literal shot at your opponent, and you go on national TV, you express the warmth and solidarity of not just somebody else in the political arena facing that kind of political violence, but another American, another dad, another father, a husband, who almost lost his life to political terror, to this maniac trying to take him out. So I mean, we're gonna unpack all of this today. There was so much over the weekend. The fact that we're not even yet diving into the dismissal of one of the indictments against Trump, which just happened today, and we'll get into it, but that's even a secondary story to where we are right now, which is, it feels like Donald Trump is about to tell us what the pathway forward is. I mean, and that's not usually what you get at an RNC. Usually you expect it's going to be, the platform, and this is bigger than a normal Republican or Democrat national convention. This feels like some kind of a national American reckoning that is going on here this week.
When he walks out into the arena tonight, potentially, certainly on Thursday, I think it's going to be one of the most electric receptions for a president of the United States in the history of our lives. And to me, the fact that we have arrived here where even left-wingers who are dyed-in-the-wool anti-Trump people saw the way he responded to this assassination attempt, and they thought to themselves, I guarantee you, even though many of them may not publicly admit it, they thought, I'm proud to be an American based on the bravery and courage. Think about that, Buck. To have an inch from dying, and for your first thought to be to tell your Secret Service agents, wait, and then to turn to the crowd, pump your fist, and say, fight. I mean, I get goosebumps right now. You can see it on my arm just thinking about it because it is so incredibly iconic. I mean, I think that moment where the Secret Service agents are around him has an Iwo Jima-like feel already. It's on the cover of Time magazine. I think it's the most iconic photo that has been taken of an American president in my life. And I think it's stirring a lot of people to re-examine their preconceived.
Match my. 90,000 homeowners transform their homes through beautiful, durable, and high-quality outdoor remodels, and you can be next. Contact us today to take advantage of our most popular offer. By calling System Pavers at 8...
Pardon his son Hunter after his looming additional prosecutions as well. There's a moment here where the fact that the Democrats, and this has been reported, New York Times, CNN, Axios, all the usual Democrat outlets, are whispering behind closed doors, maybe saying out loud more and more, this election is over. That's Democrats saying it. After what just happened to Donald Trump. Now, I want to be very clear, because I know we're going to get a lot of reminders from all of you. We're not saying it's over. We don't trust that the Democrats are going to be on the up and up in a whole range of ways. We're here at the RNC. We're going to be talking to people who are looking at the state ballot collection and voting integrity measures. We're going to be talking to people who are trying to get out the vote. We understand. We run this race until we hit the tape. Full stop. No question about it. Trump certainly knows that. We believe he's going to announce his VP tonight. But there is something even beyond the normal political melee at work here. There's something bigger for the country. And the fact that you're hearing Democrats saying it's all over just goes to show you they've been telling everybody for 7 years Donald Trump is a threat. And now there's the whole component we haven't even got into yet. We will, of the rhetoric play and how they've been. I want to be clear. Good point. We should mention that. Just the monstrous exaggerations about Donald Trump. And I know I'm going to have some fun with this later, but it really is true. It really is obvious. That Morning Joe, and I swear to you,